1. Feelings.
Lesson 3. A. Listen and point. Repeat.
1,
Scared. Scared.
2,
Bored. Bored.
3,
Hungry. Hungry.
4,
Thirsty. Thirsty.
B.
1,
Listen and point.
Here are photos of my friends.
1,
Long's bored.
2,
Knee's thirsty.
3,
V's scared.
4,
Trang's hungry.
B. 2. Listen and repeat.
Min's thirsty.
D. 1.
Listen and read.
Hello, what's your name?
My name's Lynn. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Nice to meet you too. My name is Vin.
What's your name?
My name's Bobby. Nice to meet you, Lynn.
D. 2. Listen and repeat.
What's your name?
My name's Vin.